Here we have a blog post that we translated to Italian, but as you can see, there are strings on the screen that are still not translated. In this example, our site is using the Extra theme. And if we go to its page on WordPress.org, we can see that it has been completely translated to Italian. However, because Italian language has been added to the site after the theme was installed or recently updated, we need to update the Italian translations. To do this, go to Dashboard, Updates, scroll down to the Translations section, and you will see that there are still some translations waiting for update. Click the Update Translations button to load the theme translations for Italian. Okay, the translations have been updated, so let's go back to our page on the front end and refresh the screen. Nice! The theme's Italian translations are in place.